Hi, this is Mill and Churchquarter graveyard in West Waterford, just alongside the N25 between Dungarvan and Youghal. It's a lovely graveyard, but we have a problem there, and the problem is in two parts. Firstly, it's overgrown with a grass, and local families have trouble getting access into their own graves. And the second problem is the grass it's pretty much one species is dominating. I think it's a false oat grass. And we want to get at the older hay meadow grasses that are probably still in the seed bank, and we want to bring them to the fore. So what we're going to do in the coming weeks is we're going to cut out all of this false oat grass. It's going to take a couple of cuttings, a couple of trimmings, because it's fully mature, it's fully in seed now. And we're going to cut it and rake it, and then we're going to cut it again and rake it again. By raking it, we'll remove nutrients. We won't be letting nutrients go back into the soil, because the hay meadow grasses are usually kind of more nutrient efficient. We'll get a range of different grasses, a range of different flowers then as well, and that's what our aim is. If this time next year we had more of a hay meadow, we'd have lighter grass cover. It would be easier to maintain, and people would be able to get in and out to their graves in a much easier fashion. So there, our problem is the grass. The solution is people cutting the grass, and we're going to do that in the coming weeks. I started this morning, and all it is time. That's all we got to do, give it a bit of time.